tó mo kí yín o, ẹ ṣe tẹ́tí sí mi. Èmi náà ni o, èmi tiyín ní tòótọ́, àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ. Èmi àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin akéde mi tẹ̀wé tàgbà káàbọ̀ sí abala mo fẹ́ kọ́ èdè mi nítorí kíkọ́ ni mímọ̀. Àkòrí òǹkà wa lénìí ni irinwo títí dé ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀jọ. I know. Hello everyone. Aitali Abiyamo welcomes all Akedes to Mofeko Ede Mi. And we are almost there, guys. We are almost there. One more to go after this. So we're going to learn counting from counted our numbers from 400 to 1,500. Yes, I know you'll be like, what? Are you crazy? Hell no. No, I'm not. Not in that way. Like, what am I saying? What I'm saying is, so in this lesson, we're going to learn what 400 is called in Yoruba, what 500 is called in Yoruba, what 700 is called in Yoruba, all the way to 1,500. So hold up, guys. That is what I'm saying. So we can all breathe now. Yes, we can all breathe. Yeah. So, because I know you guys will be like, what? I've not even been able to catch my breath yet. And what did you say? So what? So what again? So guys, just chillax. So this lesson, we'll be learning just what they're called so that we'll be counting them individually. Hell no. Oh my days. So, so we'll be learning 400. Irinwo to 1,500. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀jọ. Come learn with me. So 400. Irinwo. 400. 500. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀ta. 500. 500. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀ta. 500. 400. Irinwo. 400. 700. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀rin. 700. 800. Ẹgbẹ̀rin. 800. 900. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbàrún. 900. 1,000. Ẹgbẹ̀rún. 1,000. 1,100. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀fà. 1,100. 1,200. Ẹgbẹ̀fà. 1,200. 1,300. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbèje. 1,300. 1,400. Ẹgbèje. 1,400. 1,500. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀jọ. 1,500. There you go, guys. You're gonna love this one. This one is short and sweet, and it's quite straightforward too. So yeah, there you go, guys. Well done. Bravo. Fair play to you. Thanks, guys. Thanks for coming all the way. Thanks for not giving up. Thanks. right. Well done. So you've learned how to count in Yoruba from 400. Irinwo. Irinwo to 1,500. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀jọ. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀jọ. 1,500. So guys, one more to go. Just one more to go. That is the end of counting in Yoruba. So guys, ẹ máa bá mi sọ o, ẹ máa bá mi jẹ lẹ́nu, ẹ máa bá mi yín, ẹ máa bá mi kà o, ẹ máa bá mi kà òǹkà yín ní Yorùbá. So keep listening, keep applying it, and say it in Yoruba. Do your counting in Yoruba. Ẹ máa bá mi kà òǹkà yín ní Yorùbá. Say it in your mother tongue. Yoruba is rich, fun, and beautiful. So I'll see you in the last and final class on this learning how to count in Yoruba. Enjoy. Akweto.